I'm Rudy Marsh, and this is the Esington Glass. Here's the story of how it changed my life. Until about 3 years ago, I had a middle-of-the-road kind of life. Deep down, I knew I had the potential for more, but to be honest, I was just too comfortable to be ambitious. After my son was born, something woke up inside of me. I knew I had to defeat my laziness and become someone worth looking up to. After a year of reading everything I could get my hands on about productivity and habits, I realized I needed to find my own keystone habit, some small tweak in my life that would set off a cascade of transformative changes. My search for a keystone habit was grueling. I tried everything from running at 5 a.m. to eating zero sugar for a month. Finally, I came across the idea of time boxing, a simple but powerful technique where you focus on a single task for 25 minutes straight. I was incredibly productive during these 25-minute sprints, but like everything else, I just couldn't get the habit to stick. Soon I realized that the timer I was using actually held the key to my success. After over a year of research, struggle, and nearly quitting several times, it took only a single week for me to finally form my keystone habit with what I now call the Esington Glass. My goal for the Esington Glass was to create a timer that made forming the time boxing habit as easy and enjoyable as possible. It's beautiful artwork, hand-blown from a single piece of glass. The value it brings is similar to a quality gold pen in a writer's hand. As you turn it over, you are immediately greeted with the soothing white noise of the millions of steel nanospheres bouncing off the glass in every direction. This sends a clear trigger to your brain that it's time for hyper-focus mode, time to get things done. After creating the time boxing habit 3 months ago, my life has been incredible. I've been more productive than I've ever been in my life. I read 27 books. I wrote my first book, Research Heavy Health Guide. I launched 2 software businesses after learning how to code in PHP. I created 2 business partnerships in foreign markets, which I've never done before, and learned basic Russian. And of course, I launched this Kickstarter with a product that I'm truly proud of. The change to my life has been better than I could have ever imagined. I believe within each of us lies the potential for a truly great person. And I'm grateful to have found a tool that's helped me on that path, and I can't wait to share it with the world. Click the Back This Project Now button and help make the Esington Glass a reality. Resolve to become a better, more productive you in the new year.
These are the SilverSocks. They're crafted with pure, naturally antibacterial silver to create an ultra-hygienic, unisex sock that lets you go about your day feeling clean and smelling fresh. They come with a trapezium toe, which ensures you'll never need to look for matching socks again. Our signature vented mesh is tailor-made. It helps wick away sweat and keep your feet breathing easy all day long. Treat your feet to a new standard of sock with added anti-itch and blister protection. And with a luxury soft sole, it'll feel like you're walking on air. The temperature modulating properties ensure your legs and feet adapt to your surroundings, keeping them cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Moisture wicking panels pull away sweat, preventing that damp, stuffy feeling, and keeping your feet dry and happy wherever you go. The soothingly gentle crew cuff helps promote blood circulation and stops indents on your legs with a snug fit, so you'll never need to adjust your socks again. Add to your outfit and simplify your sock drawer. Let SilverSocks care for your feet and carry you through your day.
In 2017, my friends and I set out on a journey to rethink allowances for a new generation of children. We wanted to create something educational and engaging, built for a digital world with digital money. So we created Pigzbe, a hands-on piggy wallet designed to give children ages 6 and up financial superpowers. Helping our children learn about money in a digital world is fundamental, but it should be fun and it should be relevant. Pigzbe is a friendly financial assistant that turns learning about earning, saving and spending into an adventure. It's a hands-on home for your digital money that lets children touch, interact and learn with their savings away from the screen. Use Pigzbe to explore games, store digital money and notify you of what comes in and what goes out. For children, the app is a playful interface for more advanced activities like setting savings goals and learning about budgeting. They can visualize their digital money in a whole new way that encourages them to save and explore new financial concepts. For parents, Pigzbe is an easy way to send allowances, set tasks, track achievements, give money for special occasions, and invite other family members and friends to join in the experience from anywhere in the world. We've done this before. We've designed and delivered robots, computers, and smart toys to thousands of customers all over the world. And while the old piggy bank served us well, in a world of smart homes and smartphones, we think it's time our money skills got smart too. Financial education is something we believe should be accessible to all, and something our children shouldn't miss out on. We believe anyone can learn to manage money, and that financially literate children become financially capable adults. Pigzbe will help kids do just that, with a brand new tool and a unique experience they'll love and remember forever. And an entire generation growing up with financial superpowers, an unstoppable force.